Hey, so does Helium 10 work in Egypt? Which Helium 10 tools work in Egypt? In this video, we're going to cover all the tools that work in Amazon Egypt, so you can base your decision whether to use Helium 10 for Egypt or not. And in the description, you're going to find a free trial of Helium 10 along with the best discounts and a playlist with over 200 tutorials that show you how to use different parts of Helium 10. And many of the tools that we're going to cover today of Helium 10 are going to be in that tutorials playlist. And great to meet you, Vova. Evan, myself, seller on Amazon since 2016. Now we're on the page of which tools are supported in which markets by Helium 10. It's going to be linked in the description for you as well. I recommend you checking it because it's constantly updated. So it says here it is updated regularly. So if new tools appear in different marketplaces, then you can check it. Generally, you can find all the marketplaces, for example, European marketplaces here, Middle East, Africa, and whatnot. So, but today we're going to speak about Egypt. Basically, does Helium 10 work in Amazon FBA Egypt? And what tools are available. So let's go through the tools. Again, I remind you, best discounts, free trial for Helium 10 are in the description. So operations, and within operations tools, you have inventory manager. It's a great tool for inventory management. So it's going to show you how long you have your stock for. So for example, you tell Helium 10 that it takes 30 days to produce your product and another 30 to ship it to Amazon. And let's say you're having like 10 sales a day. So within 30 days, you're going to run out of stock for 300 units. So let's say if you want to start creating those units, Helium 10 will tell you, hey, you're running out of stock and when to order new stock. Pretty good tool because Amazon FBA is inventory-based business and you can go out of stock easily, you can overstock easily. So with the inventory manager, less likely to happen. But of course, you still have to use your own brain and understanding of how to work with products and inventory. Again, I'll remind you in the description, free trial and best discounts for Helium 10. And hopefully it's going to be useful for you. I'm wishing you a great day. Let's talk in comments if you have any questions and have a great life. All the links are in the description for you. Have a great life. Bye.